So, after na ambassador, ito yung nila, team. Then, after na ambassadors, dito tayo sa Cruise Blockchain Labs, SBI Group, Bitpoint, Epoch Factory, Project Zeno, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, Facebook. Check natin. Twitter, Discord, Telegram. Check natin. Project Zeno, Telegram, or Twitter, Facebook. Telegram. Okay. Sino official 7,000 members. Actually, dito naka-open yung Discord ko. Sumali ako dito. 2 members. Uy, 24K. Uy, Arthur Perez. Baka naman. Free to play. Nice. Baka Archer yan. We have decided extend duration going button pass. We have changed closing date. Yan, active naman yung nila. Tawag dyan? Active yung nila. Discord. Dito ako nakatambay sa Filipino channel. Filipino community. And then this is their Twitter. Okay, followers. Naka-like na yan, sir. Project. Uy! Giveaway! Project Zeno. I don't think kailangan ko pang post yung link sa description. Pwede nyo i-click lang to. Ayan. Ma-redirect na kayo sa mga page nila. Ayan. What else? What else? Pacquiao for the win. O news. News. Ito hindi ko pa na-discuss yung news. In-skip natin kanina. Dated naman yung news nila. Announcement like for partnership. So, iba-ibang issue or partnered with Gaming Guild YGG Philippines. Nice. So, ito naman maintenance din. Update sa game. This one updates sa partnership. So, general news about the game. So, dito makikita mo naman talagang gumagalaw yung project. Hello guys, ito yung white paper nila. Hindi na natin isa-isahin. Dadaanan na natin. NFTs, may Sino, Weapons, Charms. So, yung Sino, ito yung mga parang mga hero. So, ito yung magagamitin. So, yung Sino may 4 na skills or cards. And then, yung weapons, pwede i-attach or equip sa Sino para mas malakas yung kanilang skills or yung cards. And then yung charms, additional passive skill. And then yung NFT box, this is how you can get an NFT in game. And then after you get an NFT or Sino in game, you can sell it in the marketplace naman. So ito in game na lang natin to i-discuss. Skill cards, training NFTs, ito yung mga upgrade. Yan, upgrade. So yun, pwede mo siyang laruin kahit free to play lang. Yan yung buong ecosystem. Meron dyang mga burning ng utility token. So, ang mangyayari sa burning na utility token, purpose niyan is para ma-maintain yung price ng utility token. After ng ecosystem, we'll be tackling yung ibang part ng tokenomics. Mabilis lang, no? So, ito nabanggit na natin kanina yung burning ng utility token and NFTs. And then, ito yung GXE, governance token. So usually, ang governance token, dahil governance nga, it's used for governance voting. So in the future, kung meron mang pagbobotohan. And then next, ito, tokenomics. Ito yung allocation nila. So ito, dapat makita rin natin dahil usually, ito kasi yung emission, ito yung nila. Tawag dito is vesting. So, vesting, may lock-up period, ganun. So, yung play and earn, ganyan, nakalock pa yan siya 1 to 8 months. So, 8 month ng project, saka pa lang siya magre-release yung play and earn na token. And then, yung ecosystem, ito naman. And then, ayun yung development. So, development from the start, meron na agad siyang release na token. Kasi, kailangan yung budget para sa development ng product. And then, marketing. Yung marketing medyo maliit lang. So, hindi masyado makita. Ayun. And then, team. Okay, yung team. Maliit lang din sa simula. So, ayun. After, may vesting period din siya. So, after 48 months, tuloy-tuloy na yung kanyang part or yung pagbigay nila. Then, strategic partner. So, yeah. Ang purpose naman ito is para hindi mag-dump yung coin or yung value ng token. Kung first month pa lang nabigay na lahat ng token. So, syempre, magdadump yung price ng token. So, wala ring value. Kaya, ang mangyayari, nagkakaroon ng vesting or unlock unlocking period. Ito yung marketplace. Functions provided. So, may auction. Okay. Pwede kang mag-bidding. Dutch auction. So, ito may filter din. Alerts. Ang dami pa nilang plan sa marketplace. Yun nga. Kasi yung marketplace ngayon is alpha pa lang. Yung roadmap nila, puro completed na. Ito yung YouTuber, si Hikaru. And then, si Boss Manny Pacquiao. Baka Manny Pacquiao yan. Fumiya, Korea, known as the most famous Japanese, si Fumiya. Past collaboration held by Project Sino. Limited edition Mayweather NFT issued collaboration form. So, class was a Grappler Genesis version. Ito Hikaru. So, ito yung centralized exchange to. Bittrex. Ayan yung mga links nila. And then, official links ng mismong Project Sino. Dito lang kayo magkiklik ng link para safe. Yan, dyan lang. So yeah, that's it for the part 3 of this video. Thank you for watching.